Mia, can you wait for me, please? You are waiting for me? Listen, no, that door. The other one. Mia, sit back. Sit back. You might need to wait.
We are at the car shop. We're gonna spin the wheel. Bye bye.
You're wearing a drinking bottle like that. Gonna get another toy?
Yeah.
We're gonna have a look, man. I don't know, where is it? It looks quite good, but yes.
Get it.
Cybertruck. Daddy, yeah. Yeah, this is a good. Up and down. Yeah. Oh, this one's good too. I like the color. I don't know where it's here. And where's your sister? Where's Yaya? Oh, I saw Daddy's over there.
I said, if they were to do like a motor show,
How about don't eat too much?
I will eat a little bit more.
How about you eat later tomorrow? Wait, do some tomorrow. That's so many. Do you see this one's good?
Yeah, I just saw it.
Yeah.
Come on over, get your ice cream, and then come and take a seat. There are mind-blowing savings. And take a seat.
Mia, you want?
Experts on the stand today.
They're good? You finished, Danny? Oh, is it good? Oh, let's go to Queen of Bean. Hey.
MG as well.
Yeah, it's MG4. Are you ready?
There were two white ones. He had. I was looking for a BT head.
What a cute baby. Come here, do you want to come with me? Do you want to come with mommy? Do you want to come with mommy, baby? Come on, let's go. Yes? Oh, just wait. Oh. Are you okay, baby? Thank you.
Yeah, but you get a do you want a sticker?
Do you want sticker, Mia?
We've had
This one is good too. Oh, sorry. No, you can't. Otherwise, later you're locked and you can't get it out.
Pretty much the safest van that you can buy. So it has a platinum Euro NCAP crash test rating. It also has a really high Euro NCAP score generally. And I think it's important obviously because it helps.
I'm here, Mia. You can't. Look, there's a very long way.
plane.
Eddie?
Done? Slowly, Mia.
I don't think good idea.
It's okay. Just be careful. Amia. Oh, that's an Oppo card. You need to use the Oppo card.